morning, everyone. This is your broker Sam of Cloudland Realty, and today I'm going to share with you 4 principles that really made my life better. Okay, so if you want to learn, listen to this. Okay, and kung hindi pa kayo subscriber sa aking channel, I think it's high time for you to subscribe. Okay, so please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time that I'm going to upload videos. Okay, so here it is. Now, the 4 principles that I'm going to share are, of course, definitely not something new, and it is not mine. Okay, I've heard this one to one of the audiobooks of one of my favorite author by the name of Jim Rohn. Okay, and it's about AIDA principle. What is AIDA principle? Okay, ang sabi niya rito is that and it applies to any industry. Okay, and ako bilang isang registered real estate broker and owner of Cloudland Realty, so I am selling real estate properties. Okay, ang sabi niya, the first principle is this, is that you have to be able to advertise whatever product. Okay, ano mang produkto ang iyong iniaalok, you must be able to advertise. Use various platforms in order for other people to know kung ano ang iyong ibinibenta. Dapat alam nila that when you talk about a certain thing, okay, pagka naghahanap na sila ng isang bagay, ang una nilang maiisip ay ikaw. Okay? Katulad ako, okay, dapat ang aking mga kaibigan, pagka naisip nilang bumili ng real estate property, ang una nilang maiisip ay si Sam. Dahil si Sam ay registered real estate broker. Okay? That is what you call awareness. Okay? You should be able to let other people know what you are selling. And in my case, I am selling real estate property, and therefore, all my connections should be able to know that I am selling real estate properties. That's what you call awareness. Awareness. The second principle is that one has to create an intention. Okay? When you talk about intention, dapat makita ng iyong mga prospects, ng iyong mga buyers, okay, or ng iyong mga kliyente, kung bakit nila kailangan ang produkto na ibinibenta mo. And in my case, since I am selling real estate properties, hindi mahirap para sa akin na ipaliwanag sa mga kliyente ko kung bakit nila kailangan ng lupa at bahay. Okay? So, dapat maging maliwanag ito sa ating mga kliyente. Okay? So, what I am doing is that I am telling them na kung bakit nila kailangan ng lupa at bahay, at hindi mahirap ito, no? Napakadaling ipaliwanag, napakadaling matanggap ng aking mga kliyente kung bakit nila kailangan ng lupa at bahay. So, after awareness, one has to create an intention to purchase. Okay? Intention na bumili ng lupa at bahay. And in your case, whatever your product may be, you have to create that intention. Okay? And paano mo magagawa ang bagay nito? Dapat maipaliwanag mo. Dapat makita nila. Because in my case, again, as I'm saying, I am not just selling houses. I'm not just selling real estate properties, but I am selling a dream. Nagbibenta ako ng pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling lupa at bahay. The third principle is desire. Okay? I do not know if you've experienced na magkaroon ng kagustuhan sa isang bagay, and yan yung tipong hindi ka na makatulog dahil gusto mong mangyari na ito. That is what you call desire. It is an intense desire to achieve something. Okay? Yung malalim na pagkagusto sa isang bagay at gustong-gusto mo na ito. That is what you call desire. After awareness, after having that intention, one has to have that desire, that intense desire to purchase your product, okay? To purchase your services, okay? Paano mo magagawa ito? Okay? Ako, ang ginagawa ko ay ini-explain ko talaga sa kanila hanggang mag-sink in sa kanila na talagang kailangan nila ng lupa at bahay. At importante ang bagay na ito. Okay? So, dapat magkaroon ng intense desire. Yung tipong hindi ka na makatulog. I do not know if you've experienced that one, but I've experienced it several times. Okay? Yung kagustuhan ng isang bagay. Malalim na pagkagusto sa isang bagay. That's what you call desire. Okay? Desire to achieve something. Okay? Desire to purchase your product. Now, it is not enough that one has to have that awareness, intention, and desire. It has to be consummated. Dapat ay mag-materialize. And so the final principle is action. Okay? When you talk about action, dapat ay gawin nila. Okay? Okay? Dapat bumili sila ng iyong produkto o serbisyo. Hindi lang sapat na gusto nila ang lupa at bahay. Okay? Dapat mag-purchase sila ng lupa at bahay. Okay? Dapat magkaroon ng call to action. Dapat magkaroon ng sense of urgency. Okay? Na mag-purchase ng kung anong produkto o serbisyo ang iyong ibinibenta. Okay? Again, pag itong apat na principle ay ini-apply natin sa ating negosyo, sa ating buhay, I think it will make our lives better. And what are those principles? Number one has to create awareness. Number two, dapat magkaroon ng interest. Dapat magkaroon ng desire. And finally, call to action. Okay? If we're going to do that, we will be successful in our lives and in our business. Okay? Again, thank you for listening and salamat sa panonood. I hope may natutunan kayo at kung gusto nyo at nagustuhan nyo ang aking videos, I hope that you'll be able to subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless us all. Bye-bye everyone.